May pupuntahan kami mamaya. I-date niya ako kasi sad ako for the past few. Hello guys. Nag-gising lang namin. Guys, first time namin sa VIP. So, yung asawa ko. Good morning, guys. It's Saturday and nagising ako ng 6:30 actually. 7:30 na. Magsa 7:30. And hindi na ako makatulog. Kaya, mag-gym po tayo. Hindi ako nag-gym ng Monday and Wednesday. Ready na ako actually. And tomorrow. And it's a very nice weather, guys. Yan. See? It's gonna be plus 16 to 18 today. And, may ganap kami ni Kuya Ronnie. May pupuntahan kami mamaya. I-date niya ako kasi sad ako for the past few days. Kaya hindi rin ako nag-gym. Hindi ako pumasok sa school. So, yeah. I-date niya ako today. And samahan niya kami. Nandito na ako sa bahay, guys. Kakain muna kami ng breakfast and then papakat ko kay Ronnie. Are you gonna cut it or I am gonna cut it?
Thank you.
Why me?
Well, you're always complaining when I don't do it straight. So.
Magkakat kami ng ng mga, hindi naman grass. Yung halaman sa labas kasi hindi siya pantay-pantay. Papantayin lang yun. Tapos, what's the plan today?
We go to Sigtuna, we enjoy the scenery, we eat something. We go watch. Yes, sounds like perfect.
Enjoy the scenery. No, it's not that one.
Huh?
It's not that one today.
Probably gonna be one. Just third.
Actually, tumawag siya sa akin kanina. Nasa gym ako. Tinatanong ko nasan ako. Pinapasunod ko, ayaw naman niyang sumunod. Bukas na lang daw. Mangga bukas kasi gusto ko rin mag-gym bukas. So we're going to gym tomorrow, right?
Yep.
Because I miss Monday and Wednesday. So I have some things to catch up. Kayo na kami, guys. I'm giving it up. Paalis na kami, guys. Alas 12 na. Alas 10 kami nag-ready. So, ako yung matagal kasi nag-marinate pa ako ng meat. Gusto niya mag-barbecue mamaya. And then, manonood daw kami ng sine. Yun po ang plano ng asawa ko. How long is the travel?
30 minutes.
Is it? I thought it's close. 30 minutes. First time na kaya mag-short. Naka-short kami both. Ako naka-skirt. Let's go! And bukas yung bintana. Guys! Very nice. What is that? I love it. Like the weather, Papa. Very nice, huh? Sigtuna. Sigtuna yung pangalan. Isa to sa pinupuntahan ng mga tao pag summer kasi it's like mini town na malapit sa Stockholm. Super cute guys. Super duper cute.
1 hour is not good.
How much?
1 hour you can stand.
How much?
There's no much. You can stand 1 hour.
Ah,
It's meant for you to move.
parang ano, may sarili silang mundo, parang ganun. Parang different world dito sa ano, sa Sigtuna. Kaya gusto ko dito pag summer. Tapos ang ganda ng bahay. Oh my God. Hanap lang kami ng parking.
Thought the praying would make it better, but I swear to God I'm just as lost as ever. Thought the bottle would hold me over, it still hurt me just as bad when I got sober. Everyone around me's found a way to let it go, but I can't help but focus on the things I can't control. All the darkness in my mind, pain that I can't leave behind. I know there's a silver line that I can't see. All the cold and sleepless nights.
Nakain kaming ice cream. Isa lang yung binili namin kasi hindi ko mauubos. Kuya. Ang haba ng pila guys. It's okay, you can eat more. Ayun yung pila.
I wanted to eat some.
Honey, it's fine. Very nice. Tapos ito yung view namin. Water! Kilala yung ano, yung brand ng ice cream, actually.
Ah, you can get water.
Yeah. Ah, yeah. Paborito yun ni Ronnie. Medyo aggressive. The birds here are a bit aggressive. They want the fries. Ang daming tao actually. Pwede basa kasi ang ganda ng weather. So, nabasan lahat ng tao. Oh, look at that! Look at that! Oh! That's nothing than Haparanda. Right? Ah, there's more. Meron silang parade, I think. Haparanda was the best. Oh, there's more. Thing yun dito every summer. Pumaparada sila ng mga old cars. Ayun, oh, cute. It's like, what's the name? Matey? And cars?
Mini Cooper.
No, but it's Mini Cooper. Nag-order din kami ng hotdog. Hati lang kami kasi kakain kami mamaya ng burger na naman. So, yeah. Hi! Kaupo kami dito. Tabi ng tubig. Never ending. Takot ako malaglag yung phone ko. Honey, will you jump if I drop my phone?
No, I will let it.
Sige, pot-pot. Naglalakad-lakad lang kami, guys. Doon kami galing kanina. We've been there, right? Yeah, then. Doon kami kumain ng ice cream. Tapos umiikot lang kami kasi according to Ronnie, there's a beach somewhere here. We're not gonna swim, but we're just gonna take a look at it. Tapos dito yung ano, daungan. Wow. Ang lalim. Daungan ng mga small boats. Ang ganda ng bahay, guys. Ano, nasa likod ko. Tapos ang harap ng bahay mo iyan. Just, why not? Papa, ay, what's that? I wanna live here. Papa, what's that? Oh, there's a lot of insects. What's that? kagigising lang namin. It's 7. Opo. Natulog kami ng mga, oh my God, around 4. Sumating kami ng mga 4. Kumain na lang kami sa McDo. Mabilisan. Tapos yeah. 4, 5, 6. Uy, mahaba yung tulog namin. Uy! So, dapat magpa-barbecue kami. Kaya lang, it will take time. Kaya naisip namin na anong tawag dito? Para pa rin siyang iba-barbecue, pero ilalagay ko lang siya dito sa sa stove. Ayan. Para din siyang barbecue actually. Kasi itong pan is siya, pang-grill. Tapos ngayon, pagkagising ng asawa ko, nag-aaya siya naman. At yung sili guys, napakadami po niyang energy. Kasi niligaluhan kami na nilan ko ng cinema pang-movie na VIP. Never pa ako nagpa-VIP guys. Never ko pa nagpa yung VIP dito sa cinema kasi mahal siya and sabi ng mga narinig ko, it's not worth it. So, try natin siya today. Why not? It's free. We don't have to pay anything. So, ngayon nagbubuko si Ronnie. Alas 9 yata yun. Alas 8. Yung movie. So, yeah. Kumain na kami. Magluto muna ako, then kakain kami ng dinner. And then, wala na. O, di ba? May powers na kami kasi na nap na. Hindi siya nap, actually tulog talaga siya. Anyway, magluto muna ako, guys. So, aalis na kami, guys. Pinongni ko lang yung buhok ko, tapos nilagyan ko ng ribbon. Tapos, ito din yung suit ko kanina. Nagpet lang ako ng pants kasi malamig na. I think, plus pa din naman. And may araw pa. Pero for sure, malamig sa sinihan. Kaya, nagpalit kami na rin ng pants. Anyway, ito lang yung suot.
Oh yeah, we're in a bit of a hurry.
Yes, it's 8. Dito na kami, guys. Of course, laban na naman po tayo ng... He can choose again.
Don't really have anything really fun here.
It's always his problem. He can choose. Ako, ito lang. And popcorn. Yun lang.
So I think a medium will be good.
Medium or small?
Maybe small.
Small?
I think last time we didn't.
It's small and small. Okay, like. Small lang guys kasi kakain lang namin, di ba? Ng dinner. Although hindi naman ako nabusog ng bonggang-bongga.
So I'll take away the packing after all.
Guys, first time namin sa VIP. So, yung asawa ko. So, then, papa.
Snart är det EU-val, men du kanske inte bryr dig.
First time. And then, meron silang free chocolate.
Påverkas delvis av
Only
EU.
one. Can I have some?
Go around.
It's actually quite big. Oh my
Ska
god,
du
this is so
avgöra vem som får
fancy,
läsa
papa.
dina meddelanden? Men om det gäller att
Duck
förhindra
farm, or you should say that and send a picture.
Can you take a picture?
Yeah. Nandito na kami sa bahay. What are you doing? Naghuhugas siya ng wala. Gusto ko ipakita sa inyo yung ilaw. Sorry, I have to turn it off. Yung ilaw na ginawa ko sa labas. Super duper cute, guys. Ayan o. May ano kasi. Nakikita ko yun. But, ayan. Ay, labas kaya tayo. Ayan o. Ayan. Super cute. Tapos yung ilaw dun sa taas. Yan. Yan. Yung mga yan. Ayun yung halaman. Nilagyan ko ng isang bulb, isang halaman. Super nice. At saka tingnan mo yung ilaw namin. Nung Pasko pa yan. Ayan. Hindi pa nila tinatanggal. Super nice. Mas maganda ngayon kasi may mga bulaklak siya ba. Yung winter kasi walang bulaklak. Kaya medyo hindi siya nakakaganda. But anyway, nandito na kami sa bahay and mag-shower na ako. And we're gonna get ready to bed. By the way, ang ganda nung ano pala. Ang ganda. I'm gonna go up, Papa. I'm gonna go up. Ang ganda nung movie. Ang movie is The Fall Guy. Si Ryan Gosling. At saka si, pagod na yung actress, Naomi something. Ang ganda guys. Super ganda. Comedy. Madilim. Romance comedy siya. But it was nice. You like the movie?
Love the movie.
Yeah. Actually, ang ganda. Na-enjoy namin ng bonggang-bongga. And for now, it's shower time!
Shower.
I need to shower, honey. Don't you smell yourself? We smell like barbecue. Anyway, ito pala yung ano, yung ticket namin na binigay nung lola ni Alex. Libre lang siya. Easter present sa amin nung lola ni Alex. And it was, hindi kasi kami nag-VIP. Kasi feeling namin it's not worth it. But then, nung na-try namin, we really like it. And, sabi ko kay Ronnie, next time na manood kami ng movie, sorry, ang kalat. Manood kami ng movie, it's gonna be VIP. So, anyway, mag-shower na. You're showering without me? What's happening? Shower muna kami, guys. Ooh. First time ko actually gagamitan itong suklay. Laging daliri lang yung ginagamit ko. So, medyo brown na siya. Nag-soft na yung kulay niya. But, ito lang yung ilalagay niya. Super konti lang siya. Tapos medyo makapal siya. So, ang ginagawa niya is inahati ko sa gitna. Binlow dry ko siya.